Hi guys, in front of me is Hammerblade 3 and let me show you how to allow unknown sources. At first enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select apps which are over here, so apps and notifications. And now enroll advanced. Here you will notice special app access, click to open, then select install unknown apps, and here you can activate installation of app via some unknown source. So for example, if you should do it via Chrome, just mark Chrome and then allow from the source by tapping on the switcher. And that's it. So it's working the same way for any other app. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.